In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to DocuSign. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step you need to seamlessly access your account. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. You can do this by typing DocuSign.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the login page. It's a straightforward process, but if you're ever having trouble finding the login button, remember it's typically highlighted to make it easier to spot. Next, you'll need to enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your DocuSign account. After typing in your email, click the Next button. This step is crucial because it ensures that DocuSign is directing you to the correct account. If you ever find that your email is not recognized, double-check for any typos and make sure you're using the correct email address. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Take a moment to ensure that you've entered it correctly, paying attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters and special characters. Once you're certain everything is correct, click on the Login button. This will grant you access to your DocuSign account and all its features. If you find yourself having trouble remembering your password, DocuSign provides an option to reset it. Simply look for the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to set a new one. And there you have it. You're now logged into DocuSign. From here, you can access your documents, create new ones, or manage settings as needed. Remember to log out once you're done to keep your account secure, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. While logging in can seem like a simple task, it's always good to make sure you're following each step correctly to avoid any hassles or security issues. If the site looks different than what you've seen before, it might be due to updates or changes in the layout, so don't hesitate to navigate around patiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your next DocuSign login experience a breeze. Feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.